Hi guys, in this video, we're going to talk about how to fix LinkedIn persona verification if it's not working and how you can resolve this issue quickly. If you're trying to verify your account using Persona and for some reason it isn't going through, don't worry, you're not alone. The first thing you should do is make sure your LinkedIn app is fully up to date. Go to the App Store or Google Play Store and check for updates. Sometimes, if your app is outdated, it can cause verification problems, and updating it can solve a lot of issues automatically. It's also a good idea to restart your device after updating the app, just to make sure everything runs smoothly. If your app is already updated, try logging out of your LinkedIn account and logging back in. This can refresh your session and often fixes small bugs that might prevent persona verification. Also, double check that your internet connection is stable, as verification can fail if your connection is weak or intermittent. If that still doesn't solve the problem, the next step is to use a browser on your phone or computer. Search for LinkedIn support in your browser and open the official LinkedIn help section. Make sure you're logged in with the account you're trying to verify, because some support options only appear when you're signed in. Once you're logged in, you'll see an option to contact support or chat with an agent. Click on that and follow the steps to submit your issue. If chat isn't available, you can also send LinkedIn an email explaining that persona verification isn't working. Be sure to include any information they request, such as the email and phone number linked to your account, and mention any error messages you see. This helps them troubleshoot faster. LinkedIn support will review your case and get back to you via email. Usually, they respond within a few days, and once they verify your information, your persona verification should go through. Following these steps is the most reliable way to fix the problem when the app itself doesn't solve it. And that's it. By following these steps, you should be able to get your LinkedIn account verified without too much hassle. If this video helped, give it a like and consider subscribing for more tips and troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy LinkedIn using.